Pisces, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements so you can get the most of your reading. All my readings are timeless. Pwede kayong maging bukas sa mga messages anytime you come across this video. There's no time in spirit. I'm doing readings for all signs every week for love and guidance. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Pisces. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you, Pisces. Insurance. You may be working or nagtatrabaho kayo sa isang insurance company. Nag-iisip kayo na kumuha ng insurance for yourself or sa family mo. Okay? You're thinking about this. Pinag-iisipan mo na kumuha, okay, ng plan. Debt. Okay? Yeah. May mga iniisip ka na mga debt or kautangan, okay, about loans. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You're planning to get a loan for some of you. Merong insufficiency of funds. Deadlines. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga deadlines sa mga projects na ginagawa or naghahabol ng quota or ng target. Okay. Sales quota. Deadlines. Yeah. Overspending. Yung iba dyan, nag-overspend. Shopping, okay. So be aware of that. Monitor your finances, your expenses as well. Okay. Be mindful of your spending habit. Benefits, employee benefits. Okay. Meron kayong tinitingnan na mga employee benefits sa trabaho ninyo. Okay? Meron kayong pinag-iisipan. Yung iba ay naghahanap kayo ng ibang work. Okay? Na may magandang benefits. Magandang compensation scheme sa trabaho. Okay? Pisces. Messages for Pisces, additional messages for Pisces. Egg, success assured with good plans and hard work. Okay. Wind chimes, peace and harmony. Merong pagkakaintindihan, okay, peacefulness sa bahay ninyo. Okay, sa home life. Partnership, harmony sa partnership, okay? Or with your loved ones. Money path. A path with money is waiting for you to find it, okay? So take action, Pisces. A path with money is awaiting or waiting for you to find it. Okay? Take action. Yung iba sa inyo, naghahanap ng ibang opportunity or ng work. Okay? Make actions. Camel. Persevere and you will overcome problems. Magpursige sa buhay. Okay? Para mabigyan ng solusyon ang inyong mga suliranin or problema. Most especially sa kaperahan or sa trabaho. Okay? Hard work is needed. Okay? With good plans, you will be assured of success. Merong tagumpay kung merong plano at hard work sa inyo, Pisces. Feather. Someone you know is undependable and insincere. Okay? Ingat sa pakikitungo sa mga tao or even in your colleagues, your circle of friends. For some, hindi sila ganun ka-insincere, okay? Or hindi mapagkakatiwalaan. Boot. Increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. Yes, action. Take action. Okay? Double time. Kailangan pa ng hard work or kasipagan. Kung naghahanap ka ng trabaho, don't give up. Keep on looking. Okay? Online. Yeah, and apply lang ng apply. Okay? Don't give up. Tingnan natin. Ano pa yung mga messages from the tarot for Pisces? Ano yung mga paparating energies and messages for Pisces, please? For Pisces. 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 Paparating energies and messages for Pisces. Yeah, temperance. Okay. Balance yourself, your emotions, okay? Huwag magalit, okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo parating galit or irritable. So, find peace within yourself, okay? Kailangan ng balance and harmony na manggagaling sa inyo. Okay? For some of you, you have to wait for the right timing. Don't rush kung meron kayong gustong maabot or gawin or makamtan, I mean. Okay? Wait for the right timing. Do not be anxious. Okay? Be patient. Yeah. Ma-overcome mo kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon or difficulties. Okay? Difficult times are over. Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mo ng bagong routine. Okay? Changes sa mga routine mo. Yeah. New lifestyle. Okay? Marami kayong mga responsibilities, obligations. You want to get out. Gusto mong lumabas sa ganitong sitwasyon. Okay? Merong pagbabago na mangyayari, Pisces. Do not give up. Be patient. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Magkakaroon din ng happiness, kasiyahan sa pamilya. Okay? Your material needs, your emotional needs will be met with your family. Okay? Kasaganahan sa bahay or sa pamilya mo. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are focused. Naghahanap ng ibang opportunities. Okay? Masipag. Nakafocus sa trabaho. Okay? Busy. Madaming ginagawa. Yeah. A new direction in life. Okay? Merong changes, new direction. Maaring new job, okay? New address. Yeah. You will be reviewing kung ano yung nangyayari sa life mo ngayon about sa work. For some of you, you are reviewing options and opportunities. It's time for you to move on to a new direction, Pisces. Okay? Yeah. Think things through carefully sa mga decisions mo. Okay? May mga opportunities kang matatanggap. Or trabaho. Yes, new opportunities. Expansion or career advancement. Okay? Bagong trabaho. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, okay, kailangan mo mag-ingat sa mga tao na mapagsamantala, okay? or merong dishonesty and betrayal. Be aware of that, Pisces. Justice. Do what you think is right. Okay? Yung iba ay tumatakas sa isang responsibility. Okay? Yeah. Do what is right, Pisces. Do what is just and fair. In your situation, maaaring sa trabaho to or with someone, okay? The world. Okay? Merong completion. You will be accomplishing things. Kung meron kayong projects na tinatapos, you will be completing it with pride. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, merong travel na mangyayari. Yeah. The world, accomplishments. Okay? Success. Yeah. Merong iba sa inyo pinag-iisipan. Meron kayong desisyon na kailangan gawin or pinag-iisipan ninyo. Okay? May kailangan kayong harapin. Someone has a crush on you. Yeah. Someone new will be entering your life, Pisces. Okay? They have the hots for you. Interesado sila sa inyo. Yeah. You are not sure about it. May bagong career na opportunity para sa inyo, Pisces. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be giving or you will be receiving the attention and time na matagal nyo nang gusto or mangyari. Okay? Meron kayong matatanggap na money. You will be receiving money. A raise. Increase in salary. You will be receiving attention. Okay? Queen of Swords. Know what you want. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. You will be communicating some truth. Okay? Magiging focus kayo when it comes sa inyong material things. Magiging focus kayo sa inyong pamilya. Okay? Merong kasaganahan na mangyayari or meron kayong kasaganahan na matatanggap na ikakatuwa ninyo or ng buong pamilya. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Naka-focus kayo or yung target mo is to improve yung quality of life ng family nyo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, someone is offering a partnership but you don't know, parang hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. Okay? Ayaw mong mag-decide or ayaw mong tingnan. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Merong success, may change of direction. It's time for you to take another direction. Sa trabaho man yan, okay? Meron kayong tinitingnan or ina-assess ninyo yung nangyayari sa life ninyo or about sa work. And you think, you feel na kailangan ng pagbabago sa inyong routine or significant change sa routine nyo or sa trabaho ninyo, okay? Merong relocation. Yeah. Success is assured. Yeah. And focus. Focus ka kung ano yung goals mo for your family. Kung meron mang uncertainty sa inyo regarding someone, okay? So, make up your mind. Kailangan mo i-face ang reality and make a decision. Okay? Mag-ingat sa mga dishonesty or betrayal also. Yeah, for some of you, there are temptations. You are tempted to do something na hindi tama. Okay? Yeah. There is attraction with someone. But there is a conflict when it comes to justice. Okay? A conflict kung ano yung tama. Okay? So, be aware of that, Pisces. Okay? But you will be choosing what is right for you and what is fair. You will be completing a cycle in your life. Yung iba sa inyo, this may be a project na matatapos ninyo, okay? Or isang sitwasyon, you are moving forward to the next phase, okay? Bagong trabaho, bagong location, yeah. You will be cutting off yung mga nonsense na sitwasyon or nonsense na mga tao, and you will be directing your focus towards sa improvement ng inyong pamilya, sa improvement ng inyong kaperahan. Okay? Merong trustworthiness in the family and respect. Yes, Pisces. Okay? So, be patient, okay? And do not rush things. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Someone wants your attention. But you are focusing on your family. Okay? Because you are thinking about what is right. Okay? Kung ano yung tama, doon ka, Pisces. Okay? Yeah. So, resist or avoid temptations. Do what is right. Be fair and just in your decisions and in your doings. Okay? Sa inyong mga ginagawa. For some of you, you are dealing with someone na may someone na leader or may posisyon sa trabaho, okay? Meron kayong desisyon na kailangan gawin about sa person na to. Merong happiness sa inyo, kasiyahan, okay? Yeah, and you are proud of it. Yeah. That is related to your emotions, related sa relasyon or relationships. You feel good about this. Okay? For some of you, you are dealing with a Leo. Okay? Yeah, you need to release harshness. Okay? You need to forgive someone for some of you. Okay? Yeah. Tinitingnan mo ang sitwasyon mo, most especially sa trabaho, sa inyong kaperahan. Nag-iisip ka ng mga paraan or ways kung paano mag-increase ang inyong pera, ang inyong savings, or ang inyong investment. Okay? Kung meron kayong sariling negosyo, pinag-iisipan mo kung paano pa ma-improve. Yeah. For some of you, you need to take a break, no? Step back para makapag-isip kayo ng maayos. Wait for it to grow. Okay? Pisces. Tingnan natin kung anong message sa inyo from the Spirit Messages Oracle cards for Pisces. If you think you are alone, you are not. We are beside you in all challenges that you face. Trust that outside sources will always be working with you to ensure the best outcome in every situation. We have your best interests at heart. We love you. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, may gagawin kayong desisyon. Meron kayong pipiliin, okay? You will be choosing your family. Okay? Bibigyan mo na ng atensyon ang pamilya, yung family goals. Okay? Tingnan natin from the angel number card, ano yung message for the Pisces. Your heart is your gift. You are a natural born nurturer and have a great talent for helping and healing others. You are the epitome of self-sacrifice and a protector of those you love. I am nurturing. Okay? So, Pisces, ito lang yung mga messages for you. Maraming salamat sa iyo. All the best and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!